The Hytale modding community has been going strong since day one. There were a handful of mods already available on release, and almost a week after, we're close to 1,800 total mods. Today, I'll be going over 2 ways to mod Hytale, and what issues to look out for when applying them to your world. All the links to the video will be in the description, so be sure to check them out. Much like other mining and crafting games in their early days, it's possible to manually mod Hytale without the use of a mod manager. And to be clear, even though I'm calling this the hard way, it is still very easy, just more of a manual process than the other method I will be showing. If you'd like to skip to the easy way, please use the chapter select to skip ahead in the video. To start, we need to find some mods. My go-to mod website for Hytale is none other than CurseForge. CurseForge officially partnered with the Hytale development team to support modding from day one of the early access release. This is currently going to be the best place to find mods for Hytale. Once on the site, all you need to do is click the Hytale image to start searching for any mods you want. You'll see some highlighted mods and categories to browse, or use the search bar if you're looking for a specific mod. If you click the Browse All tab, you'll be brought to a page that allows for more fine-tuning with filters. For example, you can set the Sort By option to creation date to see new mods that were just released. Once you have found the mod you want to use, clicking on it will open a page showing a description of the mod, any comments from the community, and a history of files that have been uploaded. For now, we will use the download button since this is a beginner's guide. Once your mod file is downloaded, locate it in your downloads folder and keep it off to the side. We now need to place the mod in the correct location so Hytale can read the mod file. Go to your Windows Start button and type in %appdata%, then select the folder. Make sure to type it out completely or you will get search results instead of the folder location. This will bring you to the roaming folder that we need to be in. Scroll down to Hytale, then UserData, and you can open your mods folder. I already have a bunch of mods in this folder, but yours will be empty. Now drag and drop the mod file you downloaded into this folder and you are ready to start using it in-game. Before we get into how to apply the mods in-game, let's talk about an easier way to manage your mods. CurseForge has a desktop app that allows you to browse, download, remove, and update your mods in Hytale. You can download the CurseForge app by clicking the button in the top right corner of their website. The best part is, you do not need to be logged in or create an account to use this app. Simply install and open it to get started. The CurseForge app should automatically detect any games that you have installed. Click on Hytale and you will see the same Discover and Browse sections that are on their website, along with the same filtering options. You can also click the View button to change the layout of mods for easier viewing. Once you have found the mod you want to use, clicking on it will open a page showing a description of the mod, any comments the mod may have, and a history of version releases that were uploaded. If you want to search for a specific mod, use the search bar at the top of the app. Once you find a mod you like, simply click the Install button in the top right and the mod is ready to be used in-game. You can view any mods that you have downloaded by going back to the My Mods tab and select multiple mods to perform bulk actions like moving them to a group folder or removing them entirely. Creating a group for your mods can help you manage them, since not all mods need to be installed on every world. The biggest benefit to using the CurseForge app over manual modding is the update feature. When a mod developer has released an update, you will see an update button on that mod, and clicking it will automatically delete the old file and replace it with a new one. I currently have a workflow where I view the change logs before I update to see what is changing and if I need to do anything special. No matter which method you use to install your mods, we now need to apply them in-game. Hytale currently handles modding on the server side, so each mod is loaded on a world rather than the client itself. This means that whether you are playing a single-player world or even if friends are joining you, it's the same method and only the host needs to install the mods. Dedicated servers handle mods in their own folders, but the idea is still the same. Just drop mods into the mods folder and load up the world. When creating a new world, make sure to click the gear icon next to the world name, which will bring up the settings page. Here, you will see a list of mods that you have downloaded. Clicking the check mark next to the mod will enable it in the world. Just make sure to click Apply Settings before clicking Create World. If you need to add a mod to an already created world, right-click the world in the menu to open the settings screen. Here, you can click the same check marks to enable or disable the mods for existing worlds. Once loading into your world, the mods will be enabled and you are ready to play. Some mods may include settings that can be changed via in-game commands, but others you may have to manually go into your mods folder to change the config files. I want to give props to the Hytale dev team for making it this simple, and while there are some modding limitations that come along with the simplicity, we're lucky to start enjoying such a wide selection of mods from early on. I want to address some common issues that I've seen with modding Hytale in hopes that it will help some other people who run across the same thing. First, if you do not see a mod in the mod list on the settings page for your world, it means your mod is not installed correctly. Please check your file paths or go back using the chapter select in this video to see the correct methods for installing mods. I've also provided the direct file path to the mods folder in the description so you can view it from there. Second, if you try to load up a world and you get an error, the most common cause is a duplicate mod. Manually check the mods folder itself for any duplicate mod files and remove them to resolve the issue. Sometimes the CurseForge app has a problem removing the previous file when updating, and you need to manually remove the old file. In the CurseForge app, you can quickly navigate to your mods folder by clicking the menu icon on any mods page and then selecting Browse Folder. Third, if you run into any issues or bugs within the mod itself, check the comments section on the mod page to see if it's a known issue. If you do not see anyone reporting it, you can help the developers by giving them full details of the issue you are experiencing. I do want to note that not every mod will have a comment section, some link directly to GitHub or Discord for opening issues. And that's it, a complete beginner's guide to modding Hytale. If you're having trouble finding good mods to use, check out my top 10 mods videos. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Hytale content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.